So I recently spent an entire week at Unity Village. That's up in Lee's Summit, Missouri, just south of Kansas City. That's where our headquarters are. Unity headquarters are there at Unity Village. So Reverend Tim led us in a workshop. It's about integral meditation. There were about 100 of us all together. The room was really long and narrow, one center aisle, 3 people on each side, and about 20 rows back. We were talking about intentional integration of meditation. Sometimes in meditation, it's all in the head, and it's woo. Sometimes you have to bring it back into the body. So the 4 steps of intentional integration are about our feet. That's where we walk it. That's where we walk our intention. Our womb is where we bring forth the beginnings of our creativity, and everyone has a womb, men included. It's that metaphysical metaphor for birthing, bringing forth, so everyone has a womb. Our head is where we make plans, where we put thought into manifesting and planning our intention. But the heart, of course, is the most powerful place. That is where our power truly lies. Not the feet or the head or the womb. It is the heart. So, when 100 of us were sitting there together and we were doing this meditation and we all opened our hearts, it was like fire. It was fire. And that fire, it was just like Indiana Jones and the Raiders of the Lost Ark. Okay, everybody know that movie? Okay, so Indiana Jones, the Nazis have the Ark of the Covenant, and the Nazis, they're on this island, and they're going to crack it open because they want the power of God so they can do mischief in the world. Like we all knew that was going to fail. It's like, that's not going to happen, right? We knew that. So right at the point when the Nazis crack open the Ark of the Covenant, and right before they melt in the movie, you remember what happens? It's this arc of light that goes into the heart of every person there. Everyone. That literally happened in that workshop. There was this energy pulse that came down the aisle and swept through all of us. 100 of us felt that entire pulse of energy. And I was so floored, and Tim was too. It was truly amazing. And when we were done with the meditation, Tim asks anyone, you want to share your experience? And I said, yes. And I shared with everyone that idea about Raiders of the Lost Ark and that energy beam that connected every one of us. And it was like, yeah. Now, not everyone saw that, but everyone felt it. They felt that energy. Now, some experienced it more like a wave, like water, a wave of energy, the beach water that comes up and back and up and back. But everyone felt it, and that is the power of fire. That's the power of meditation, power of intentional prayer when we come together, and we're going to go there. Because here's the thing, it's not just ministers who have that. It's not just ministers. It's you. You have that too. You have that same fire inside you. You have that same spirit inside you too. Now maybe you don't know it. Maybe you don't feel it. Maybe you look at the external world and you don't feel that. But I'm here to tell you, top down, bottom up, you do. You're powerful. And it's in you too.